Yes, who is that?
Boss, Majamil.
Oh, okay, gentle.
Boss.
Okay, come inside. Yeah.
So what is it?
How are you?
Yeah, fine. So I was
Yeah, I'm doing well. Gentle. So, but yeah, you could come up. Yeah, nah, you want to say why you come up? Yeah, what about me is that I can't say no one to him, no more one fear. In the pay, what is it? Forget about the 2 hours shooting gram and so what in some kind of nanka or bokron. This is our situation is in no uncle bokron. Any problem? Senator was in a robot. What is it? Alright. I think so. I know my wife for that, so we're experiencing things big. I can't me about. Say, oh, boy, if you are not only script, my alapa. So I said, most of we did, but I'm just a mood diagram. But are they?
Boss, what enough for now? Go on, Simon, and mature, according by my spy flat. Was Rosa wouldn't be yes, spy flat.
Oh, okay.
Do you also the 5 bob, but you know? Bakusi never could have book on. But the mouth of my talents and me. You are good those in the album. Fine on the watch.
Fine. Oh, you have too funny. Maybe I find beyond what you.
What a fine. I don't rest. Fine over what you want, madame.
Oh, air condition, you're fine.
Air condition.
So was a room, and I had your home.
Because you are fireborn.
And air condition, fine, and a book with you and a tinima, a one a cuba is it.
Mati, air condition.
Oh, and you're fine. I know, could you know when I would. Oh, why you catch a mistress? Fine, why? Oh, nice. Oh, and I would secret my waha.
Why, secret man?
Fan alapa.
I could not bring it.
Are they? Oh, he has been. Yeah, he has been watching us for so many years. Debbie, or put 30 for almost 25 good years. Maybe we are that. Could be one of the beauty, but I don't know man one. So let me sit here and we found a flower crown and it's reaching it to me. Yeah. What's a major forest view? Forest view anymore. Oh, and I mentioned the service to be from a flower crown with reaching it. And to offer the year better. It's I made me free him to me charge. It was the last time she had my mouth 50 cents. It was me my own like that. What time we did remember? Unya scrap me the money 17 years. I know we and I saw some of my is a good brother. Unya the power could not. What?
I'm discussing this can go for any Jason.
Oh, sir, Unya bow. Not sure. It's the only problem. My manuscript guy in the canal. Because you see, once what kind of movie, and then maybe a SOE piano. I have no idea. Only problem. Oh, man, one said, even though my mother man you cry now, throw SMS to me sponsor. Did the mutation in your problem? In your house for never mind, but I will try and find some position at my workspace for you. Now, so with me, wouldn't my truck a cry? School. So, what do you mean about school yourself? So, what do you study at school? Study general. So, your course, you study business, right?
Business, yeah, business.
So you have to, you know how to sign.
I know how to calculate
business.
Yeah,
In
business.
terms of video, you know more about business.
Yeah, I know how about
So what is business?
Oh, business is a person who get knowledge to
Do the square.
Yeah.
Business is a person who get knowledge
Who get knowledge to
do something.
calculate something.
Who business explanation.
Especially if you go to banks.
Banks.
Lotto close Lotto.
Lotto.
Yeah.
Wow, you are so funny. What many years you feel how? Lotto close na account. Sir? Hey. And I said, Mr. Money. So you can dance.
Oh, I want to.
Then give me some alapella.
About dance or rap?
Dance anything.
Oh. This is a open man.
So what will rap and men among you?
Okay. I was saying.
So you are a musician?
I was saying. You judgment, judgment.
Oh, but what do you want? Not judgment,
It's my own song.
Oh,
yeah.
Obama, wow.
Yeah.
That's not what Jimmy
said me, I don't get any work to do. That's why I want to play this. Yes. Judgment, you discuss you play dance car.
Sir?
Bossing.
Oh, nice.
Quite a preference.
Now, nice. Oh, why surprising? Now, you said most school, your school, you know, is more papa no man was covered. As unfortunately, as Michelle Kazana. Because you know, see, Tracy, Papa, school, no, Jeff Hanson.
When there was a school, was one out for the NLV.
Now, Cassa.
Cassa. School, no, for all the mushu back Cassa.
Okay.
All
right.
Not for pressure.
But what did you?
I fear for you.
Okay, you know, Matthew. Anything I'm referring by fear the ETS is for safety.
By Gano Ganicas.
Oh, man.
Was we say to warn that his school here. So, I think I bought at my test. We should buy the identity.
Oh, my name was right. It's Matty. It would have written a friend wife for one while now. Gentle one.
Boss. What's no?
And Casacra.
To them, one day, Grandma.
The patch of Matty. Okay, you can talk.
Babe, that's it. Man saying you're many soon.
About what?
About Oyaa time out the beefy. And I say cross our beefy for me them mean should any problem. Bow bass head. Made them bound China as a what it's will be. Only men have a sex life.
What is that when you don't have a sex? Like you know my business and my job. Say I'm always busy and then coming out, go out near the dinner. Like me banana my bread. And they say me oh ben me na me kaso baby excuse me na nya butre near the like I say I'm doing something wrong outside. Oh, come on.
Answer with the mamma.
But like the opposite, the all kind of opposite, what you say, like I'm cheating on you. You like you,
so many years now you're busy and it's only me have sex on Saturday. Me your girlfriend into say me cheat to a bear with that man. Found come me cheat to a bear with it.
You will never do that. You will never do that. Say you are going to cheat on me.
And the awareness,
I'm not doing anything.
The awareness science so many years now when you frown for home coming.
Listen, you see, me export
there be
goods
a bad
and
no
I
want
import
to
the goods.
for Juma to You understand? For a Juma for baby at Tunchen. Dancing, I was all catching me say, we busy and blah blah, no for home coming and answer.
Okay, so what is your problem?
My problem is say, and maybe blame, I know what's now. But I say, babe. I'm sure Bibi and your man do to check a call. What's the means more?
Stop! I'm in a bad mood, please. I don't know why, sir. Yeah, but would me think just sit down. It's not baby out to me. Why? Why are you doing that? Like, what can some chairman now, 15 years now, 175 baby? When you need, I'll give it to you, but why? Like, I know what I say.
Baby, what is the kind of coins na me bahana? And now was came to we be ain't me control. Huh? Who ya de nyana me control watch say o pesa won kon come so no me cheat we be ya dana. And now feel some yedua.
You say so you cheat me baby.
Yeah.
So that you are saying?
Yeah, I have to say that.
Okay, thank you.
I can't wait no because one here the best woman no one tell me. One funny father.
Man, she had the best woman no. That means you are cheating. Look at this. Oba me no what the treat na be man paso kase. Move from one Canada and I will go out. Okay. I don't want that. In person, man will fear her.
Then throw that guy.
Which guy?
They killed that. One day when you come, I use that there to kill that in my king.
Master, how many times did I tell you this? Say, Obi be fear, yeah, but today. Yes, Obi buy and I want to need them. Master, O person in the corner.
No, master, when you them, and I first thing, master, I was I want to check the panel. I didn't remember what I said. Now I'm in a job, Jonah. Only to a condition.
So you are telling me, sir, me man, so you are the head of the house?
No, I'm a scripture.
Me see me dying, no but catch me man.
You sleep, me watch. You
watch. I will
this
sack
out.
you. If you don't think I will sack you.
If you sack me, you come every year.
Me bury.
Yes.
And the magic get everyone. And I want to
sack me. You have to talk something to that guy. That small, short chance boy.
That guy, he is my schoolmate. So I bring him to this house to protect us.
If the boy is your schoolmate, here is not your school. It's not a burden. It's a house.
The opposite catch him no.
No, be that. Okay. Stop it. Hey, sorry. That boy, stop it.
Who did me matter?
I'm talking about that guy.
Okay, thank you.
You can send to them.
Okay, you better remove this. Fine. Remove this thing out.
This one.
You ask me this one. It's my duty here.
Today I'm not in a mood to do work. That's why. I can channel. What the man who bed meduma? What the man who bed meduma?
As I say, obey security wa. Miss obey security wa. Obey you.
Then no obey. I know the Mikado. Walk up your man. What them why I did? Walk up your them why I did. Every man what me pay do. No, when you know be with my channel. No, I do and she never forget. Stupid woman.
Who is a stupid woman? Who?
I'm talking about that little boy.
That boy is that a woman? Huh?
Today I'm not a mood.
So I didn't wait long. One thing I will set you for this house.
You can't set me that because I'm not myself to bring to give myself to you to bring me this house.
What do you mean?
You go
when you train your uncle. Okay.
You pay me, but who monitor protected the house?
Okay, then it's for you. Go.
Every job is a job.
Nonsense.
You have authority to your family there. I have authority to my watching.
Master, hey, no one fetch you car.
Master, wait.
If you don't take care, you this guy. Be very careful. So one to take care. I will set you from this house.
Masa, man ma husma. Ah, acha bede imedi na go for bia ba na. Masa, enim na imedi anwa. Because ana me tito ata no. Ama me eja me aduma. Me eja me aduma ma me trafia. Enim na sack masa. Ma ka cha o. Na dan banda au ka cha. One day e ba na. Was so bikini no se motom. Hu no. Top red boy.
So are you insulting me?
No, I'm not insulting you.
You are insulting me.
No salt.
Okay, thank you.
No salt.
Well done. We shall see.
No salt. It's my mind.
Okay.
Astro Oyaa TVGH. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.